Hello and welcome to another Magna 5 Support Center tutorial. In this video, we're going to take a look at creating MyGlue assets. After logging into your MyGlue account, click the Organizations tab at the top and select your organization. On the left side of the page, you will see an extensive list of asset categories you can use to populate and organize information. For the purposes of our demonstration, we will create assets for passwords, locations, and vendors. Though keep in mind you're encouraged to view and populate as many of the other available assets as possible, as the more information our technicians have in MyGlue, the better support they can provide. To create a new password, select the Passwords asset under the Core Assets category. If you have a file you would like to populate assets from, click the Import button. This will take you to a new page to locate the file. Passwords are uploaded using CSV files, where one or many passwords can be populated from a single file. There is also a link in this article to download sample CSV import files you can use to create your own for your organization. Otherwise, click the New drop-down near the top right and select Password. Note, you can also optionally create folders from this drop-down to better organize your list of passwords as necessary. A form will then open which will need filled out. Populate each field accordingly. Should you need assistance creating a strong password, you can use the Generate button to automatically populate that field with a secure password. Additionally, you can configure the asset to generate one-time passwords by providing the secret key from your multi-factor authenticator. Once finished, click the Save button at the bottom. Now that the asset has been created, you will want to assure the proper security settings have been applied. Click the Security drop-down on the right side of the page. Check the Specific Groups and/or Users can access this document box. Click the MyGlue Groups drop-down and select your organization. Finally, click the MyGlue Groups drop-down and select Magna 5. These settings ensure both users from your organization with access to MyGlue can view your newly created asset, as well as Magna 5 technicians who may need to reference it while working to resolve an issue for your organization. To create a new location, select the Locations asset under the Core Assets category. Click New at the top right, then populate the form that follows. Once you have finished populating all of the fields, set your security settings before clicking Save at the bottom. To create a new vendor, select the Vendor asset under the Vendors and Licenses category. Click New at the top right, then populate the form that follows. Once you have finished populating all of the fields, set your security settings before clicking Save at the bottom. Creating assets for all other categories is effectively the same process. Select the asset, click New, populate the fields, set the security permissions, and click Save. And again, alternatively, where the import option is available, CSV files can be imported to generate assets in bulk.